Dear Antonio, this is it. 2 more hours to the exam and my head is about to explode. I know what I know and I know what I don't know, so what happens, happens. Keep your fingers crossed. Kisses, Anna.
Dear Barbara, the closer I get to the end of my stay in Ljubljana, the more frantic my effort to catch the last impressions of it on camera. Plečnik, Fabiani, secession facades. A bird's eye view of the rooftops and secluded courtyards, the old and the new.
Dear Ines, since I've retired, time flies 20 times faster than ever. Today I'm doing the Modern Gallery and meeting my daughter in Tivoli and an evening concert to top it all off. Is that what you call retirement? If I had known what it was like, I'd have stayed at work for another year or two to have some peace. Well, I'm joking, of course.
My dearest, you have no idea how relieved I'm feeling today. Not relieved, monumentally relieved. I've passed my exam and I'm no longer doomed to be a couch potato. It's time to hang out. Got the train ticket yet?
Everything is close by here. A nice morning boat ride down the Ljubljanica, a stroll around the flea market, a midday train ride through the Postojna cave, and eating cream slices at Bled at sunset. If all goes well with the book, all 3 of us are coming to Ljubljana next year.
Fall is upon us. The time for browns and yellows to replace the greens. My favorite time. I do so miss our long walks on the Rožnik. Dear Ines, as soon as things settle, I'll invite you over again.
Everything is close by here.
You have no idea how relieved I'm feeling today.
Fabiani, the old and the new.
And an evening concert.
It's time to hang out.
Dear Barbara,
Is that what you call retirement?
I'm no longer doomed to be a couch potato.
if all goes well with the book,
If I had known what it
Got the
was
train ticket yet? Dear Antonio, this is it.
Dear Ines, I love cities. I love mornings. I'm feeling even more attached to you today, even though you're thousands of kilometers away. Best, your Mojca.
my darling, the work is done, the shots are super, the plane ticket in my pocket. Be at Roissy at 5 o'clock. can't wait to see you and see Ugo's first tooth. One last view from above, and it's goodbye until next year.
My darling, my heart runs wild where I think you're already on that train, and that we'll be walking hand in hand down these streets tomorrow. I'm running out of words to describe this feeling, running into your arms. Love, Anna.